nervous.
You're nervous? Oh, you met them before.
We've been to Thailand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in 3 years. And we clearly love it. But this is my parents' first visit to the land of smiles. So we kicked things off in the capital city of Bangkok. And it was truly a day of firsts. First tuk-tuk ride, first time negotiating. 130?
150.
Yeah, 130. First time laying eyes on Thailand's stunning temples. And their first time trying Thai cuisine. Including the famous fruit durian. Did you see her face?
Yes.
She was like...
We let you know that the local time of 9:55 a.m. and we wish you a very pleasant stay in Bangkok.
3 flights and 24 hours later, and we have finally made it to Bangkok. That is by far and away one of our longest travel days ever. I don't need that anymore. It's so hot here right now. I'm completely overdressed. We have 2 hours until Alicia's parents get here, so we're gonna find somewhere to hang out. So we didn't sleep very well on any of our flights, so it feels like we've been up for almost 24 hours. So we got some coffee because it's currently 11 a.m. in Bangkok, and we have to make it till at least 8 p.m. tonight to try to fight off this jet lag.
We're outside of Arrival's Door C. Yeah? I think, okay, yeah. Okay, we'll see you soon. Okay, bye. I'm so nervous, I don't know why. Hi, Mom. I love you.
That's the biggest one I've ever seen in my life.
Honestly, we tried to get that to say welcome Argentina, but it was really expensive. Just scratching it this year. Woo! Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
We made it to the hotel. It's so hot and we're very much ready for showers.
Wow, look at this view.
This is an insane view, obviously.
Obviously.
Insane, I tell you. Okay, so it's actually day 3. Day 1, we arrived at the hotel and everybody was exhausted, so we just went to the mall next door, got our SIM card set up, and got dinner and passed out. Day 2, just a pool day. We were all still suffering a little bit from jet lag, but this morning, we're all feeling ready to go. We're waiting for the water taxi at our hotel so that we can take it to the water taxi to get to the Royal Palace.
It's hot.
Been out for 5 minutes.
We haven't even done anything yet. Just go right here? We have no idea what we're doing. The next pier is just like a little ways over.
Okay.
Everyone else seems to know what they're doing. Normally, Nate's the one who's asking me like, what are we doing? How do we do this? What's this? And I'm just like, babe, I literally don't know anything. Now my parents are like, what's this? What's happening? Where are we going? I'm like, I don't know, guys. I'm just leading you with no direction. I'm sorry.
Just showing him all corners of the world.
Get this on film.
Shut up.
My gosh, this is so fast. There's no messing around.
Yeah, they like don't stop the boat.
No, I don't think it stops moving completely. You just jump and hopefully you land on the boat and not in the river.
This is fun.
It is fun.
What do you think of the public transportation so far?
I was laughing because I just told him, I go, I don't know how she does it. I would have never found this. We would have been yelling at each other at this point. There's no way.
I'm going back.
So the first time we were here, we traveled almost exclusively by tuk-tuk and public transportation. I had no idea you could get around the river like this to so many places. So much cooler than taking the metro.
I am a tour guide. I can feel long.
It's okay. I just said Swadiha and he like saluted me.
Oh, okay.
And I was like, do I salute you back? But he didn't speak English, so he was like, oh. How much per song?
10 for men, 200 baht.
Does he need pants? Okay, you need pants.
Okay, well, I don't know. What should I get? Oh my gosh, I look like an idiot. Sure.
Dress code is strictly enforced at the Royal Palace, so you have to cover your shoulders with a t-shirt, not like a scarf or a sarong, and cover your knees, men and women, and then closed-toed shoes. I don't know if they enforce that one because we're all wearing closed-toed shoes, but we do have to buy a t-shirt and pants.
Hey, there he is.
Oh, you are so cute. This I gotta see. Oh my gosh, watch out behind you, hun.
Oh, you look cute. I like the shirt. If you don't want this, I want the shirt.
There you go. Thank you.
Those are some big tickets.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Look at all of those jewels and like, look at these tiles. They're like ceramic. So I saw this thing to distinguish all the different Asian like script, you know, because Chinese, Japanese, Korean, like it's all really different than Roman letters to us. But you can tell the difference with Thai because all the Thai letters look like little snakes with like a head. So like if you look at the letters, like look at snake, this is like the head, you know?
Oh yeah.
And then it's like some crazy shape.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
It looks like little snakes.
Yeah, it does.
It's like etched in. So elaborate. Like every single inch of this place is sparkling.
I know.
Not even just like decorated, it's sparkling.
I was just thinking, like, how often do you walk down a hallway like this? Like, never.
This.
What are you doing?
It's like a fun house here. This is the most important building here at the palace, the Chapel of the Emerald Buddha. It's a little different than I was expecting. We've seen some really huge Buddhas, so I was expecting a really large Buddha, but it's very small, but it is beautiful. The Buddha is at the top of this like gold pyramid. It's made of emerald. It's wearing gold and jewelry. It has 3 different outfits that the king changes out at the beginning of each season. So right now it's wearing its summer outfit, I believe. It is insanely beautiful in there and really quiet. Everyone's just admiring the beauty of it. It's really awesome. And it's super busy.
You guys seen enough already?
No.
Oh.
Wow, this place is huge.
So these things are called stupas. And they're like the temple where there's a Buddha inside usually. Thailand is very Buddhist.
Is that what that is? I literally thought, I was like, that looks like Angkor Wat to me.
That's definitely Angkor Wat.
You think so?
Yeah, model of Angkor Wat.
All right, we don't even have to go to Cambodia now, guys. There you go. There's Angkor Wat.
Dad's just standing over there waiting for his picture.
Looks like the results are in. He just wants a lot of new pictures in his new pants.
They look cool.
They do look cool.
I like want some. What do you think so far, Mom?
Nice, I love it. Oh my gosh, details are unbelievable. And there isn't anything that's left. I mean, it's covered. Great.
It is. It is very hard to put the camera down in places like this. It's literally just covered in beauty. Every step, like every single place that you look, you are captivated by something.
For one person?
20 baht. Okay.
Perfect. Okay. We are burning some incense, candles, and a lotus flower to put on the offerings area of this temple area. This area. What is it called? I don't know what it's called. It's only 20 baht. So yeah, you go ahead and light it here, and it'll burn, and then it'll like smoke.
And we just offer the flower, right?
Yeah. Yeah, don't burn the flower. And then you guys can put it in the sand over there.
That's cool. And then nice. Okay, you guys get to do yours. Let me take a picture.
Thanks. I got lost.
I know. It's like I'm just gonna be like a tour guide.
Yeah.
Put your flag up.
Right?
Okay, the Grand Palace is like outside the religious zone area, but it seriously feels like I'm in France and Thailand at the same time. It's like a European Thai architecture, and it's really beautiful.
Did you like it?
So one thing I always enjoy when we hang out with Alicia's parents is seeing who she gets certain traits from. And her mom and I are very similar in that no matter the weather, we can just go, go, go. But I'm noticing that Alicia's dad is much like her, and that once the heat really starts kicking in, we start slowing down a little bit.
It's so true. I am totally like that too.
It's identical.
I literally hate being this hot. I just am so tired. I don't want to move. 150?
Oh, okay.
150? Okay. Gosh.
Done the films?
How is it, Mark?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Not good. My portion's a little cheaper. You guys pay more.
Sorry, Jafai is sick. Open again Wednesday next week. Okay, sorry.
Thank you. Sorry to hear that.
Very sad. We hope she's okay. And we're going to try and find a different place.
Yeah, this is where she like cooks out here.
So sad.
Thank you so much.
Only in Thailand would a truck stop for you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Unbelievably kind.
Now watch it.
It goes right off again.
Well, he's still back there, so we're okay.
Yeah, he'll stop.
I pick it up. I don't get it up.
Well, no, just ask it.
Yeah.
How much?
How much?
Up to you.
Up to you.
That's so nice of you.
Kapkunka.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mark. Sorry.
Oh my god.
They're so nice here. It's unbelievable.
It is.
And then what do you recommend? This one? Okay. Yeah, we'll just get 2 of those then, yeah?
Thank you.
Beautiful.
This is like their specialty dish. They've been bib gourmand for the last like 5 years, so really good food. Great presentation. Like look at this cute like bamboo leaf that it's on. But the smell is so heavenly. It's these thin slices of pork and then just totally like soy sauce drenched noodles underneath with like crispy egg and chicken inside. And some sort of sauce. Is the sauce spicy?
It's got just a little bit kick to it.
No,
It's not bad, but it's just a little bit.
This is so good. Do you guys like it?
Yes.
I love that.
Is this good, like what you were expecting?
Yes.
Oh my god, this is the best pad thai I've ever had. It has like char on it. There's like charred meat and like the soy sauce is kind of charred. So you get a little bit of crunchiness in there. Honestly, really, really good. Would you get it again?
Yes.
Absolutely.
I get the shrimp.
What did you guys get?
We got crispy pork. Okay, we got another order because they're just small enough to share and be okay, but they're so good that we wanted more. So we got the crispy pork. This is like, it's like fried pork belly, it looks like almost. And then they got shrimp, and they're taking the heads and tails off. It's great.
Are you gonna do that for all of them, please?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, I don't know why I just ate it. It was so good. Oh, it was egg. Oh my god, that was really good.
It's doing great.
Yeah, just do it with your hands. Just bite it in half. Oh, sorry.
I love they do all the work for the shrimp and they eat the noodles first. That was delicious.
So good.
Oh my god. It was actually like glass noodles, which is different. This is like a different kind of noodle than I'm used to with pad thai. They're really thin and they're clear.
You eating the whole thing? Oh, do you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
I feel like you're taking your time so that you can just eat the whole thing while I hold this.
Oh my god, this is really good.
Okay, that one's good.
Yeah, you hear that crunch.
Yeah, you think we liked it?
We could do 100.
Okay, 150.
100. It's just dropping us off at the ferry.
Okay, 170.
130?
150.
Yeah, 130.
130?
Yeah.
Don't go up. Okay, 130. I thought he said 170.
Search for them.
Okay,
Grab one?
Mark, grab one.
well, thank you.
No, Dad, you gotta try it.
At least hold it so we can take a picture.
No, I want you to try it. Okay, this is durian. It's a fruit. Go ahead. Hey, you like it?
Yeah.
Did you see that? Oh my god.
Where are you going?
Oh my god. It wasn't that bad. I thought it was good. I liked it.
It actually wasn't that bad.
Just get tea,
I-
please.
I normally don't like durian, but that was pretty good. It's like the king of the fruit in Southeast Asia. It's everywhere. You can smell it when you come up to it. And they have a giant buffet here at Icon CM, so we tried little tasters. My mom hated it.
Oh my gosh.
And look at me.
Nope. Still don't like it. I've tried it like 5 times and I still don't like it.
Kapunka! Did you see her face?
Yes.
She was like,
I understand it because I feel that too.
Yeah, no, done it, not doing it ever again.
there's a table there.
What did you get? What kind did you get?
She got Thai milk tea with a brown sugar boba.
Ooh, you're gonna like that.
Did you eat all this stuff that's in there?
They're so good.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
Isn't it fun to eat?
Yeah.
You gotta try it.
You've never had boba tea?
Never had one. Are they like chocolate chips?
No, they're chewy.
They're chewy.
It's like jelly.
A little bit better than the fruit? Just like you remembered it?
They're so good. I love boba. It's like little sugar fruit snacks.
Ready?
Yeah.
And on your readers?
That's what it looks like, huh?
Yeah.
I know Alicia would love it. Okay.
You said Alicia would love it.
Oh, I said she would love it.
Oh. Yeah, dried mango.
Delicious.
And you weren't with me, so you can say no.
I tried to get here in time.
What is in there, Mom?
It was very good. I tried to get here in time. Did you really?
I saw you, I was like, I pushed over a couple people.